Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Clickup account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password on Clickup, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in clickup.com and make a search. The official page of Clickup will appear on the screen. Tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen and from the displayed options, tap on Login. On the next page, enter the email address associated with your Clickup's account and on Password section, tap on Forgot option. Now enter your email address and click on Send me the link. A recovery mail will be sent to your email address. Open your mail sent by Clickup and tap on Reset Password option. Now all you need to do is create a new password for your Clickup's account. Confirm your new password by re-entering it and click on Change Password. This is how you can reset your password on Clickup quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.